Dealerships made $2.3 billion last year, just in the finance office alone. Here's the 10-step survival guide that keeps the dollar in your pocket. You're not buying a car. You're walking into a scripted psychological war designed to separate you from thousands of dollars. Follow this exact sequence and you'll pay the absolute rock bottom price. Step 1. Decide the exact car you want. Year, make, model, trim, color, packages. No something around 30 grand bullshit. That's blood in the water. Then hit Edmunds, build it, screenshot invoice and TMV. Real dealer cost is another $500 to $1,500 below invoice after holdback and incentives. Your target? Invoice minus rebates plus $500 to $1,000 profit for them. Step 2. Get pre-approved at a credit union today. PenFed, DCU, Navy Federal, your local one. Walk in with the actual approval letter or check. This removes all their financing leverage. They hate it. Step 3. Email every dealer within 100 miles. Use this exact template. It's on screen. Subject: 2025 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium Lunar Rock. Best out the door price. Hi, I'm buying this exact car in the next 7 days, paying cash or own financing. Send your best OTD, including taxes, fees, rebates, zip code 90210, no doc fees over $200, no add-ons. Lowest wins today. You'll get quotes from $1,200 under invoice to $900 over invoice. Take the lowest. Step 4. Call the winner. I have your email quoting $38,972 OTD for stock number 12345. I'm coming tomorrow at 2 p.m. to sign and drive at that exact price if it's clean. Correct? They hesitate? Thank you. Hang up. Next dealer. Step 5. Walk in like you're picking up a pizza. Printed emails, pre-approval, license, insurance card. They slide the worksheet, 1 penny higher, stand up. I have the emailed quote right here. Honor it or I'm leaving. 2 other dealers will. They fold in under 60 seconds. Beautiful. Step 6. Test drive properly. Throw your real stuff in the back. Drive highway and rough roads. Check blind spots. Mess with CarPlay while moving. If it annoys you now, it'll drive you insane later. Step 7. The finance office gauntlet. This is where they make their real money. They'll push extended warranty, gap, paint and fabric, tire and wheel, VIN etching, your exact response to every single one, word for word. I'm declining all products. I've researched and don't want any of them. Please move on. They push again, louder. I said no, move on, or I'm walking out and buying somewhere else today. Do not be polite. They're trained to exploit it. Only exception, gap if less than 20% down. Get it from your insurance for $30 a year. Step 8. Inspect the worksheet line by line. Doc fee over $200, nitrogen tires, electronic filing, market adjustment on anything normal, cross it out, initial the change, take photos. Step 9. Pay and leave immediately. Do not let them detail it or put gas in it. That's when they add ceramic coating and roll it in. Say, I'll take it as is right now or I'm leaving. Step 10. If they break the email quote, walk straight to the next dealer with the proof. They'll beat it by another $500 to $1,000 just to spite the first guy. Real results people got in 2024-2025 using this exact method. 4,200 under on RAV4 Hybrid, 6,100 under on Civic Type R, and 8,400 under on Bronco. You now know more than 99% of people walking onto a lot. Go win. Drop your target car in the comments. I'll tell you what people are actually paying right now. Like, subscribe, bell on. See you in the next one.